Welcome to Explain the Charts, where we dissect market movements and make sense of the charts for you. Today, September 24th, we're putting Litecoin, LTCUSD, under the microscope, analyzing both the current news and the technical patterns on the charts. Litecoin is set to experience its third halving event on Wednesday, which could significantly impact its price trajectory. This event, where the rate of new Litecoin issuance is cut in half, has historically led to bullish price action, so it's crucial to see how the market is reacting to this event. Let's start by examining the one-day chart, which provides a broader perspective of Litecoin's recent performance. The daily chart shows a clear uptrend, with Litecoin consistently making higher highs and higher lows over the past few weeks. This suggests strong buying pressure and a positive sentiment towards Litecoin. However, it's important to note that the recent price surge was preceded by a significant drop, indicating volatility and a possible correction. While the halving event is likely to boost Litecoin's price, it's essential to remain vigilant and watch for any signs of a pullback. Now, let's zoom in and see what's happening on the one-hour chart. The one-hour chart reveals a more granular picture of Litecoin's price action. Here, we observe that Litecoin has been trading within a narrow range, with minor fluctuations up and down. This suggests that the market is currently consolidating, as investors await the halving event. The consolidation phase is a typical pattern before a significant price move, so it's crucial to identify the breakout point. Looking at the past few hours on the one-hour chart, we can see that Litecoin has been testing the upper boundary of the consolidation range. This could indicate a potential breakout to the upside, but it's important to look for confirmation. If Litecoin breaks above the resistance level, we could see a surge in price, potentially fueled by the halving event. However, if Litecoin fails to break through the resistance and instead drops below the support level, it could signal a pullback or even a bearish reversal. We need to keep a close eye on the one-hour chart for these critical breakout or breakdown signals. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart, which provides the most granular view of Litecoin's price action. On the 15-minute chart, we can observe that Litecoin has been forming a series of higher highs and higher lows, suggesting continued buying pressure. This pattern indicates that the bulls are still in control and Litecoin may be poised for a further ascent. However, it's essential to remember that the market can change direction quickly, so we need to be prepared for any potential reversals. The 15-minute chart also reveals a strong correlation between price action and trading volume. Higher volumes often accompany price surges, indicating strong conviction among traders. Conversely, lower volumes may signal a lack of interest or a potential pullback. Therefore, it's important to consider volume alongside price action when making trading decisions. Now, let's shift our focus to the one-hour chart and analyze a specific time period to gain further insight. If we look at the past 24 hours on the one-hour chart, we can see a clear upward trend. Litecoin has broken above multiple resistance levels, indicating strong buying pressure and a bullish sentiment. This recent price movement is likely fueled by the anticipation of the halving event. The high volumes accompanying this price surge further confirm the bullish momentum. Now, let's go back to the daily chart and see how Litecoin's current price action aligns with its long-term trend. The daily chart shows that Litecoin is currently trading above its 50-day moving average, which is a key support level. This suggests that the long-term trend remains bullish and any potential pullback is likely to be temporary. The recent price action on the one-hour chart aligns with the long-term bullish trend on the daily chart, indicating a strong potential for continued upward movement. Looking at the one-day chart, we can identify key resistance levels that Litecoin may encounter in the near future. The first resistance level is around $70, which Litecoin has already tested in the past few weeks. Breaking above this level could lead to a further rally, but it may be met with some resistance. The next resistance level is around $75, which represents a significant psychological barrier for Litecoin. If Litecoin breaks through both of these resistance levels, it could potentially target even higher price levels, reaching the $80 and $85 range. However, it's important to remember that these are just potential targets and the actual price action may vary. Now, let's look at the one-hour chart again and see what key levels we should be watching in the short term. The 1-hour chart shows that Litecoin has been trading within a range between $67 and $69. The support level is around $67, which Litecoin has held multiple times in recent days. The resistance level is around $69, which has been a strong barrier for Litecoin. Breaking above this level could signal a further surge in price, potentially leading to a retest of the $70 level. However, if Litecoin drops below the support level, it could signal a pullback or even a bearish reversal. We need to keep a close eye on the 1-hour chart for these critical levels and the price action around them. In conclusion, Litecoin is facing a pivotal moment with the upcoming halving event. The news surrounding this event is positive, with many analysts expecting a bullish price reaction. The technical analysis on the charts also suggests a strong potential for continued upward movement. However, it's essential to be aware of the volatility and the potential for corrections. It's crucial to watch for key support and resistance levels, as well as the volume accompanying price action, to make informed trading decisions. In the short term, we should watch for Litecoin's breakout or breakdown of the consolidation range on the 1-hour chart. If Litecoin breaks above the resistance level at $69, we could see a surge in price, potentially reaching the $70 and $75 range. However, if Litecoin fails to break through the resistance and drops below the support level at $67, it could signal a pullback or a bearish reversal. In the long term, the daily chart shows that Litecoin is in a strong uptrend, supported by the 50-day moving average. Breaking above the $70 and $75 resistance levels on the daily chart could propel Litecoin towards the $80 and $85 range. However, it's important to remain vigilant and watch for any signs of a pullback, especially if Litecoin fails to break through the resistance levels. Keep in mind, the cryptocurrency market is inherently volatile, and any predictions are subject to change based on various factors, including market sentiment, regulatory developments, and unforeseen events. It's always recommended to conduct your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any trading decisions.